3, 4. Hi, Larry Crowe from Masterful Drumming. Today's lesson is on developing a hand pattern. I'm a big fan of taking a very simple rhythm and, utilizing it around the kit, exploring it, seeing how to develop it, and see how it works in different musical situations. So first we'll start by playing the rhythm on the snare drum and trying some different things with it. At first it's going to sound very, rudimental and very marchy, but we'll add some different things to it to make it sound interesting. Maybe some buzz strokes, maybe some double strokes, and some accents, just to give it a little bit more musicality. And we'll also try using some different dynamics too. This is something that's really important that everyone should work on, is playing loud, playing soft, and just trying to get control of whatever you're playing. 2, 3, 4. So after we play this on the snare drum, let's apply the bass drum to some of the holes in this pattern. There's a spot available on the A of beat 1 and on the E of beat 4. So if we put the bass drum in there, it starts to sound a little more interesting. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is to make a groove out of this thing. So let's put our right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare. We've got that bass drum. Let's hear how that's going to sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Now we'll add an extra bass drum on beat 1, just to plant this beat and make it sound a little more user-friendly, you know, like a real beat you might hear in a song. So we're adding a bass drum on beat 1, just to ground this beat a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last step is to take this hand pattern and put it over top of a Brazilian foot pattern. This is a baião, which is a Brazilian rhythm from the northeast of Brazil. I'm just using the foot pattern and applying this hand pattern over top of it, and you can come up with some really interesting possibilities, adding some buzzes, moving the left hand around the toms, and coming up with some really cool ideas that way. All right, so try that, have fun with those ideas, and we'll see you next time.